Hey guys, what's up? It's Alric from AppMake here. Today we are going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make your first iPhone 5 app. So just create a project and title it whatever you want. Decide to call it iPhone 5 app. Make sure it's set to iPhone, use storyboards, and include unit tests. Alright, let's get started. So basically what you want to do is just save this wherever you want. And once you open this up, you're going to be able to create an iPhone 5 app. And the reason you want to create something like an iPhone 5 app is because it's going to be optimized for the iPhone 5 with a 4-inch display. Because basically, you want to have optimized apps to be able to attract more customers. Make sure the deployment target is 6.0 and main storyboard is linked to main storyboard. Now you can choose whatever orientations you want. I decided just to have the portrait orientation. Now to change the status bar to the tinted blue, you're going to keep everything normal except enable tinting to default, from disabled to default, and whatever tint color you want, it should be on the standard blue that the iPhone 5 is used to and iOS 6 is used to as the new normal. Now you're going to want to make your different default loading screens and icons in some other program. I used Photoshop. We're going to be giving you all the dimensions for that in just a second, but there are 5 total. You got to make 3 for the different loading screens and 2 for the different app icons. So you want to do the standard definition app icon first, which is going to be 57 by 57 pixels, and you're going to want to just add that. Basically what you have to do is you got to control click on the little standard definition icon and hit choose, or you can left click. So control click, select file, and then you're going to do the Retina one, which is 114 by 114. And you want to have the icons very similar so there's less of a difference between the two. Now same thing, right click, select file. For the standard definition, you're going to choose 320 by 480 for your loading screen. Right there, 320 by 480. Choose. Same thing, control click, select file. You're going to go into wherever you have the files, and you're going to choose 640 by 960 for the Retina one. This is the Retina like iPhone 4S kind of deal. There we go. And for the 4-inch, the iPhone 5, you're going to choose 640 by 1136, 1136. Just like that, click choose, and now all of that is mapped out and we're ready to actually create the application. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into our main storyboard.storyboard. Once we've opened up our main storyboard.storyboard, this is where we're actually going to be able to create our application. We're not using any coding this episode, we're just going to show you how to do drag and drop. We have other videos, and be sure to subscribe for more. We're going to be teaching you some coding, but this is just to do your first iPhone 5 app. So what we're looking for now is a navigation bar. Basically, this goes at the top. It titles a page. You double click, put in whatever title you want. I chose my iPhone 5 app. And then you're going to add another one to the other page. Basically, we added another view controller. It's all drag and drop stuff from your objects area. So I'm naming this page About Us. Now we're going to add a toolbar at the bottom of both pages. And this is going to link back and forth between the two pages. Double click to change the item name. I'm changing the one to About Us over here and the other one to Back. And I'm going to link them to each other. So basically what you got to do is you got to click on the About Us, drag it over to the view controller, choose Modal, and you're going to click on that. And you can change whatever transition you want. I changed mine to flip horizontal because I think that's actually a pretty good transition. Same thing, click on Back. There we go. Click on Back, drag it over, modal, same deal, and I change the transition as well. So now they are connected to each other. That's pretty much as far as you need to go as far as coding the different things. That's not even really coding, it's just connecting. Now we're going to add in some text view so you can tell the difference between the iPhone 5 version and the iPhone 4S version. Basically what you do is it's automatically going to enable the iPhone 5 and iPhone 4S, and it basically automatically just does everything for you. So if you can copy this, if you can see, I'm going to click the button down here which switches back and forth as you can see, we're switching back from the 4S to the 5, and you can see that it automatically does all of the coding for you. You don't have to change the position of it, where anything is. It automatically moves it for you. Now we're going to make it open in the iPhone 6.0 simulator. I'm going to click Run, and the simulator should pop up. I sped that up a bit, so it'll take a little longer for you to let the simulator pop up. Alright, so once it is, it will connect the app and start running it on the device itself. So you should be able to see your screen at the start, and it'll bring up whatever screen your device is. So if it's the iPhone 5 screen. If it's the 4S, the 4S screen. You know, if it's a regular definition device, it'll bring up that screen. So that's definitely pretty cool. And then it will load your application itself. As you can see, you can scroll through the text, so it doesn't make a difference whether you have it on the iPhone 5 or the iPhone 4S. You're still able to see all that text. It links back and forth between the two, and that's pretty much it. There are some options you can change the simulator to let the simulator simulate different things, but this is definitely pretty good. You can actually see that the top area does have the tinted status bar, is exactly what we want for the iOS 6 integration to the iPhone 5 application. And when you upload this to any different device, you can test it on the iPhone 5, you can test it on the iPhone 4S, and it should work perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out from AppFind and AppMake, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.